We're at a show with killer birds, not a place for kids. Nevertheless, all these parents have thrown caution to the wind and have brought all the family. Let's see what happens. Look at these birds. You won't find these in your back garden, and if you did, you'd be too scared to go out. There's a part of me that wants the chain to break loose so one of the birds can feast on one of these little brats that is making this such a struggle to record. Later on, one of these magnificent but scary birds will be tearing a rabbit apart while parents explain to the children about the cycle of life. And I will be there to capture it. Make no mistake, these birds will rip your throat out. They are birds of prey. They kill by night, and by day they get cuddled by children that they're probably dreaming of killing. Yes, including you.
Did you go, Elena? Did you go?
Oh my god, if I was a bird, those wings would make me very, very, very jealous. 4 birds, 1 bird show. Who will get all the attention? But it seems everyone is surrounding this one bird. Oh look, the bird wants a hug.
No, she's doing that to say keep away from me. I'm bigger than I am. I look bigger, yes. Yeah.
You see them?
Brat, trying to hear the man.
They got it. Let's pretend they're
Murder! Murder!
The man in the blue top.
That bird just murdered the rabbit.
No, rabbit. No.
That's called mantling. So they hide their prey from the
Not a real rabbit.
No. That's where the word
I'm struggling to finish this hummus sandwich.
and that's where the saying